Hey guys, Brad here with Custom Offsets. Got a little something different for you. This is now lifts and levels for you. This is gonna be a first impression unboxing video. We got a box in here from Halo Lifts. This is going to be their new product. This is their Aluma series, their Aluma 2.0 series. So if you're familiar with Halo Lifts at all, they make a lot of coilover lifts, small lifts, like between 1 to 3 inch lift kits for F-150. They have some for the GM 1500 trucks, and they just came out with a new product. This one is going to be their all new coilover, completely redesigned from the ground up. It's actually going to be an aluminum body coilover, and they sent us a set so we could check it out and see what we think of it, and we're going to go ahead and get to it and open it up and see what we think. Now, from the pictures I've seen, it does look pretty sweet. It looks like a very nicely built coilover. A lot of paper packaging here, good protection on these, because we know shippers aren't very nice with everything. So this is going to be obviously these are going to be, this box has all the front coilovers, and this will be like the rear shocks, and this other box here. So let's see. 1, 2, and then we got some stickers and stuff here, and then what else we got? We got the hardware as well for the strut, the lower strut mounts. Looks like there's some loose hardware floating around in the bottom of this box here. All right, so then let's see, we're gonna move over to this box here, open this baby up and see what we got. If you were looking at these on our website, this is actually would be coming with a rear block kit and some U-bolts to lift the rear of the truck, because these coilovers actually come for preset at 2.5 inches of lift. Obviously they are adjustable with the preload adjuster on the top here, so you can change the amount of lift that you get. Up to 3 inches is what's recommended in stock suspension form. You know, you're kind of limited by the CV axles and stuff like that. So these are for 1 to 3 inches of lift. They come set at 2.5, and you can raise and lower it from there. And let's see, so we're just getting the shocks here, so we're not going to have any blocks to show you. And then these are going to be the rear Aluma shocks. The biggest difference, let's open these up too, I guess, from these and the old one is simply going to be the construction of them. Halo's old coilovers were a steel body with I believe a zinc plating on them. These are going to be a complete aluminum bodied shock, which is going to help with any kind of cooling and basically the heat exchange. It'll allow the shock body to cool faster. And then, as you can see, we got this nice anodizing on the top hats, the preload adjuster, the bottom plate, and everything like that as well. And from what I'm told, these are actually made, these coilovers are made by the company Elka, E-L-K-A, I believe that's how you say it. It's a Canadian company, and if you're familiar in the power sports world at all, they're a huge company in the power sports world. They've been making coilovers and shocks for ATVs, snowmobiles, dirt bikes, motorcycles, all that stuff for a long time. And I guess they've recently got into the truck market, and so they partnered up with Halo, and that's who makes this whole coilover assembly. You can see the springs even say Elka on them. Springs are nice. They got a textured finish to them. It's not just like a standard gloss black or anything like that. These coilovers also got a little bump stop, integrated bump stop on them. Shocks are, the rear shocks are of similar construction as well. Same color on the body. These are an all aluminum shock as well. The body is all aluminum, aluminum top cap. And then these are going to be rebuildable as well. So they're meant to be taken apart and rebuilt, not just once they start leaking or something, they have to be thrown out. This one in particular is going to be for the 2014 and up F-150s. They do have other F-150 kits. And then right now, I think this Aluma series is only out for the F-150s. They don't have them for the Chevys yet. But Halo Lift seems to be most popular with the F-150 crowd. So that's why they started there first. That's going to be it for this video. This was just a quick unboxing video. For all your suspension needs, make sure you check out customoffsets.com, where we have all the truck suspension you could ever need and want, from leveling kits to lift kits to coilovers, from spacers to blocks and everything in between. Check it out.
Wow, look at these new Halo struts. Is this their Aluma series?
Yes, it is the Aluma
Wow.
2.0 series.
Wow.
And
what's the difference between the new one and the old one?
these are better.